Good morning to all. I hope all are safe there. Today I will handle the second lesson in the first unit, Aspire to Win. I know you are already familiar with the boy in the lesson, The Race by Nisha Punjabi. What is the name of that boy? Yes, Tarun. And what is the message of that lesson? What is the message of that lesson? Can you say? We have seen the dedication and hard work and confidence in that lesson. Confidence of that boy. Can you give an example, another example for this dedication? There are so many people attain heights through dedication. Many sportsmen are there in this category. The race, in that lesson, many people motivated Tarun. Among them, two were important. Who were they? One is coach Ram Narayan, and the other his own mother. And in the second lesson, look at that picture in the beginning of the lesson. Who is that? Can you say? This is a page of a book, of a famous book. This is Sachin's autobiography. Sachin Tendulkar. Don't you know? Huh? We all know the legend. The man who loved cricket. Then, whose life is cricket, whose breath is cricket. We all call him the god of cricket. This book tells us how he became the god of cricket. Yes, this is Sachin's autobiography. What is the name of that autobiography? Playing It My Way. Playing It My Way. That is the name of his autobiography. There will be a story behind all success. Here, Sachin tells the story behind his success too. He tells, people throw stones at you and you convert them into milestones. And he is a mere cricketer, not a mere cricketer, but a true human being. We are proud that we have such a legend. Here in our course book, we have an extract from his autobiography. What is autobiography? Do you know what is autobiography? Yes, it is an account of a person's life written by that person. Then, so here in this book, there is a story of Sachin written by Sachin himself. That is why we call it what? An autobiography. And the name is Playing It My Way. Then we can listen to the textbook. Now listen to your textbook. Learning the game. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games. I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsmen that I studied. I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Ajirekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. I was 11 years old then. Ajirekal sir, as I refer to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. I had never batted in the net before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. With the sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Adit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Ajit sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at age. I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at age, and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuance of batting and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Did you understand anything? What is the meaning emulate? Emulate. Where is that? In the first paragraph. Listen that. I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players. Who were his favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. And he started to emulate them. Emulate means, can you guess? Emulate. Huh? What is emulate? Imitate. Started to imitate the players whom he loved. And emulate the mannerisms of his favorite players. These are the examples from the passage. Then, who inspired or who motivated Tarun in the previous lesson? Who inspired him? Tarun, his own mother and his coach. Here, who inspired or motivated Sachin? We are going to discuss about that. Are you ready? While listening the lesson, you can understand that. Hope you are listening to the paragraph I have read. Haven't you? I will ask some questions to check whether you understood it or not. Here is the first question. Sachin loved cricket even from a very early age. Find out the examples from the passage. Find out the examples from the passage. Which is the sentence? Like you, Sachin played tennis ball cricket with his colony friends. In a very early age, he started to play with his friends in the colony. And then, second one, he loved to watch cricket on television and often tried to emulate the mannerisms of his favorite players. He loved to watch cricket on television and often tried to emulate the mannerisms of his favorite players. Then these are the examples from the passage. The next question. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. Then Sachin tried to emulate the styles of the favorite players. Emulate means imitate. Don't you imitate anyone? Huh? Just like Mohanlal and Mammootty. Don't you try? Here, just like that, this Sachin tried to imitate this Viv Richards and Sunil Gavaskar, his favorite players. Then there is another word in the paragraph, which means as the same that emulate. In the paragraph question, this will come, which is the word used instead of imitated, which is the word emulate. You also, did you like studying in different schools? Here, Sachin said that he was studying in which school? New English School in Mumbai. But he changed it to word Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. Why? Because Ajirekar sir, Ramakant Ajirekar sir is a coach there, cricket coach. There is a camp of Ajirekar sir. That is why his brother, Sachin's brother, wanted to change the school. And he gave due importance to the game of cricket. In the paragraph you have read, Ajirekar sir run summer camps. Don't you listen that? What was the speciality of the summer camps run by him? Can you answer? Anyone could come for It was up to Ajrekar to decide who to accept. Anyone can enter into the camp, but in the last, Sir will decide who to accept. Then, what similarity can you find between Sachin and Ajrekar, sir? What similarity can you find between Sachin and Ajrekar, sir? What is the similarity? There was a similarity between these two. What is that? It is written in the last part of the second paragraph. Did you see that? You are right. Both started playing cricket at the age of 11. Both started. Did you see that? Both started playing cricket at the age of 11. The next question. What was Ajrekar sir's first impression of Sachin? What was Ajrekar sir's first impression of Sachin? Ajrekar sir felt that Sachin was too young to attend the camp as he could not make an impact. He could not influence him at first. He could not influence Ajrekar sir. That is why he thinks so. He could not make an impact. Then you read the lesson carefully and find these answers of these questions and write it in your rough book. Rough book only. Then check it. Is it right or wrong? Then read the lesson well. It is time to say goodbye. Thank you.